When should I start it?
Alright, guys, I am the real Jman. I make all the videos. I have more than 200 million subscribers. I am the real Jman. I am the real Jman. Bro, I'm the real Jman.
No, you're not. What am
Yes,
I
I am.
finger painter?
Alright, are you ready for finger painting?
Yeah, let me see it. That's not the finger painter.
I'm sorry, wrong one. No, wait, let's go take a photo in the mirror.
Okay. Let's go take a photo. I want to take a photo.
Yeah. Take a photo. You know, I'm that guy, pal. I'm that guy.
Okay, I took the photo.
Yes. Send it to your friends. Send it to whoever you want.
Okay.
Anyways, where's my canyon badge? The best badge ever made. Let me buy that real quick. So nobody says I'm fake. Now, do you believe I'm J-Man?
Yeah.
Alright. Bye.